authority for necessary construction. And will designate the areas as a controlled areas and uncontrolled area, posting the signages for the controlled area, conducting area monitoring and equipment survey, ensure that the area monitoring, calibration and maintenance is done on the time, and monitoring the staff who are using the personal monitoring devices and maintain that record. And investigate the overexposures and report the radiation incident to the radiological safety committee and the regulatory authority, and take the corrective measurements, and ensure the safety of the brachytherapy sources in the radiation oncology, and prepare the emergency response plans. So as we know that there are two areas. One is a controlled area, that is called designated area, and uncontrolled area is called non-designated area. So controlled area is an area with control of access to the radiation workers. So staff authorized to work in controlled areas are radiation oncologists, medical physicists, dosimetrists, therapy technologists, oncology nurses. Uncontrolled area is accessible to the public, and these areas are occupied by the patient and visitors to the facilities other than employees of the hospital who would be moving around. So there is no control of access and no personal monitoring is required in these areas. So these are some of the examples of controlled areas are all irradiation rooms for the EBRDs, remote afterloading brachytherapy treatment rooms, operating rooms during the brachytherapy procedure, and brachytherapy patients or radioactive storage and